Hi everyone, very good morning, and a happy Sunday. Happy Friendships Day to each one of y'all, to all my Instagram family, for all those who support me, who are following me, showering their blessings over me through the likes and comments and encouragements that they are giving me. And may you all get the lovely blessings, lots of emotional healings. May the divine in me connect to the divine in you. Happy spiritual connection and happy soul connection. And have a happy, blissful Sunday. Okay, so lots of happiness I've shared with you all. So let's start energetically. I'm very excited to do this video for the coming August month. So this month I have a special connection with Archangel Raphael, and he's an angel who gives us the emotional healing. So this is a channel video and a message that I've got from him to be connected with him and to ask my viewers to connect with him for this entire month of August. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to see what is the theme for the August month, the opportunities, okay, big changes coming in, what you need to focus on, and the blessings. So we'll see this later. To start with, we are going to focus on what's the theme of this month. So the theme of this month is basically the Hermit. So the Hermit is telling me here that many of us are on a soul searching for this month because they want clarity on very many things that's happening in their life, be it relationships, career, finances, or anything, be it any realm, okay? Maybe they want to find their own soul purpose. It could be anything, So this month, what is going to come forth is you are going to find answers from within and not from outside. You are going to connect deeper, on a deeper level, on a very intuitive level with all your emotions to seek answers from within rather than getting things outside. Even if you try to find answers outside, the influences are not going to have much effect on you for this month of August. That's what I'm seeing here. That's what is coming forth to me. So I guess meditation is going to be really happy for you. It's going to work for you, make you really happy about it, because it's like, it's giving you an opportunity to go within, deep inside, and find out the answers that you've been searching across. This card is trying to tell me that you need to be grounded. You need to do a grounded meditation at least for 5 minutes in the entire day, in the morning, and give yourself some time after you wake up. Say you're getting up at 5, then please give another half an hour till 5:30 to yourself. Make yourself a priority. Figure out your things, give some time to yoga or give some time to meditation, and try to relax your mind and be connected to Mother Earth. Be connected to the nature, be connected to the insights that you're getting, by doing this meditation. So this month is all going to be about soul searching, seeking answers, gaining clarity. Okay. And I believe you can read many of them are going to read spiritual books. They are going to watch some spiritual videos. They are going to follow some, spiritual motivational speakers. So a lot of things are going to revolve around yourself. Okay. Let's see what bigger changes are coming in this month. So we have the Four of Cups and we have the Despondence. Okay, Despondence. So the Four of Cups here is trying to tell me that universe is going to give you a biggest change, that is an emotional healing. Through someone, you will be getting healed on an emotional level, because all this while, in spite of things that you had, or in spite of resources you had that feeling that, you really don't have something which can immediately connect to your soul and give happiness to the soul, So we all crave for that one happiness, and that is a life purpose. So maybe many of them could be able to understand that, first of all, a life purpose से पहले it comes that you need to heal yourself. खुद को heal करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, दूसरों को heal करने से पहले. So I feel universe is coming here to give you a bigger change, that once you get these answers, you're going to get a lot of emotional healing, and you're going to get too many downloads. You're going to be very imaginative. So जो भी task या creative projects या relationships, you were feeling stuck, stagnant, you were feeling abandoned, So no, you are going to get a lot of emotional support and a lot of healing over there, and you will see yourself embracing that and moving to another level. With the Despondence card over here, यहाँ पे ये दिखा रहा है that someone is going to give you that kind of energy and support that you require. You should work on your solar plexus chakra, because this is what is a bigger change. Your solar plexus chakra will start getting healed, and once that gets healed, that means you are into your own power. You won't be dependent. You won't feel that abandonment, rather from God or from others as well. So these are the bigger changes that's coming in. So focus on the opportunities that are coming towards you, because that might even heal you on all the front. That's what is coming forth to me. Let's see what big opportunity is coming. We have the 10 of Wands, and we have the completion card over here. So basically the 10 of Wands over here is trying to tell me that, many of them were, they were actually taking so much responsibility on themselves that they might be getting a lot of backache, they might be getting a lot of knee issues, a lot of health issues. They were in fact rather welcoming that by not delegating the responsibility. So here the universe is relieving them by making them understand, that it's okay to delegate the responsibilities. It's okay to just monitor at times. It's really, really okay, to diversify your thoughts and learn to delegate your tasks so that you can be at ease for some time. Universe is asking you to rest and not to quit. Okay, so with this completion card over here, I also feel that certain tasks or creative project which you might be struggling or battling or thinking that it's not getting over, it's getting too prolonged, certain things were getting procrastinated. So here you're going to get a lovely completion, because it's very important to attend your family members, attend your loved ones in these testing times, because you never know who might be there tomorrow or might not be there. So it's very important to focus on that completion of that particular call, or attending someone, or giving that kind of your time to them, rather than just focusing on this kind of responsibilities कि मैं ही कर सकती हूँ, मैं ही सब कर लूँ, मैं ही सब कुछ करती हूँ और मुझे ही करना है. Come out of that me kind of zone, that I myself and just my me, the kind of person who's going to take hell of responsibilities. So universe is coming with this bigger opportunity that your task is going to be completed beautifully, because you'll start getting clarity. You will start understanding that it's important to delegate. So these big changes and opportunities are coming towards you, and there is going to be a fresh start of something new in your life, be it on an emotional level, be it on a passionate level, or be it on a spiritual level. There is something which is coming to completion, and there is a new start and a fresh start with a fresh new I can say your identity, with a fresh new way of thinking, with a fresh new perspective. Okay, let's see what you need to focus in this particular month. And the card says doubt. Okay, this is here trying to tell me that this month you will come out of the phase of self-doubting yourself. So many of them really feel जब भी कुछ अपने हिसाब से नहीं चल रहा है, we have all our minds like in a set expectant kind of goals. यही टाइम लिमिट में ख़त्म होना चाहिए, इसी टाइम लिमिट में काम करना है, इसी टाइम लिमिट में सक्सेस भी मिल जाना चाहिए, आउटकम भी हो जाना चाहिए. And that's when you don't realize that with that expectations, when they don't get fulfilled, you are killing yourself by getting yourself down into the lower vibrations, self-doubting, lower self-esteem, lower confidence. So here this month, it's trying to tell me that release the need to know all the answers. Release the need to know what is the outcome, release the need to know when it's going to get completed, and you will get the desired clients, you'll get the desired the results of it. When even you're soul searching, sometimes it might happen that you might not get the answers immediately, but wait for it patiently. Where you self-doubt, universe doesn't really interfere there. It's a complete universal strong law. Where you self-doubt, he doesn't be there. The minute you surrender to those doubts, the minute you surrender to himself, you'll start seeing the miracles. So this month, focus on, just gaining the answers and clarity, and not on doubting them. Once you get, also people doubt. अरे यार ये जवाब मिला बढ़िया, ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा होगा भी कि नहीं, that kind of an attitude. So stop doing that. This month you're going to come out of that doubt issues. Okay. और doubt एक word कैसा है, you can replace the doubt word with rather saying that I need some help, I'm just stuck here, so I need some help. So this month, follow this, focusing on the word of asking for help rather than saying, I doubt, I doubt I can do this, So let's see what blessings do we have in the month of August. Oh my God, so sorry. And that is a blessing on a battle that cannot be avoided. So yes, I would say that you might be battling previously in a previous month and something is coming to an end, as I just said with this card. It's coming to completion, and yes, that was not actually, it was so important for few of them, it could not be avoided. So not to worry, okay, universe is blessing you that you are going to have a smooth healing, you're going to have a physical healing, you're going to nail through it. Archangel Raphael is with you. Call upon Archangel Raphael to give you that strength and stamina and move out of this zone. Okay, so lovely, beautiful blessing coming in your way. And I want to say that, okay, on this very friendship day, I actually received my new deck and I'm so happy to share with all of y'all. So this is Miracles Now by Caprel, and I just love her decks, okay. So I'm going to quickly see what is the affirmation that's going to be there and which you need to recite for the month of August. So we just need one card. Okay, we'll take this one. Okay, very nice. So the card says, when I feel blocked emotionally, distressed or overwhelmed, I turn to my breath. Wow, I repeat again. When I feel blocked, emotionally distressed or overwhelmed, I turn to my breath, which clearly means that focus on your breath. Breathing technique, pranayam, some yoga, or just breathe in, breathe out slowly and focus on this consciousness and focus on your breath. Meditation is all what is going to come to you. So I turn to my breath is the affirmation. Whenever you feel low, whenever you feel restlessness, whenever you feel that breathing is going too fast, focus on this affirmation, I turn to my breath. So, and actually I was supposed to receive this deck tomorrow, but I don't know how it just, my thoughts, my desires released to universe, and I just got this deck, this deck on this friendship day. So see, I'm actually stammering, so excited to share with you all. So thank you so very much for being here, listening me out, and let's wait for another video to come up. Till then, stay tuned with my Insta handle page. Bye for now, and lots of healings and happy Friendship Day once more. Bye-bye.